Hi, I'm Allie and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a chimmy grilled swordfish with garlicky herby rice. So chimmy was originally meant for steak, either in Uruguay or Argentina, depending on where you're from. There's a little bit of debate. But we really like it over like a heartier fish or a chicken. So swordfish is a perfect match for our chimichurri. And we really love grilling swordfish. You can do that outside for sure, but if you have a grill pan at home, you can do that any time of year. We're gonna be serving the swordfish with an herby, garlicky rice. We're using leftover rice with just a bunch of herbs that we have in the fridge. Today we'll be using parsley, dill, and chives. We're just gonna smash some garlic and kind of get it hot so it imbues the rice. Put the fish over the rice and you have a complete meal in under 15 minutes. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, be sure to subscribe to see this and all of our future cooking videos. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna be grilling our swordfish on a grill pan. We're gonna get that nice and hot. You do want your grill pan to be super hot. And we're gonna be using another saute pan or skillet to do the rice. We're using leftover rice. You can certainly use new rice if you wanna make it. It's just nice to get it a little dry so that it kind of crisps up more easily. So we're gonna lay the swordfish on the grill, cook it for 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness. You'll know it's ready to flip when it releases easily from the grill and it has really nice hatch marks on it. Flip it, and while we're doing that, we're gonna smash up our herbs and our garlic, toss it all with our rice in another pan, and it'll all come together at the end. So while our swordfish is cooking on side one, we're gonna chop our herbs, smash our garlic. We've got parsley, dill, and chives. You could throw in some cilantro if you want. You could even do some basil or some mint. This is really one of those kind of just like clean out your fridge recipes. I'm not gonna be too precious about stems or the perfect size chop. I just want a really just very green, verdant, herby rice. And I'm also not a fan of mincing garlic, so I'm not going to do it. I'm just gonna smash the garlic in the oil and it's just gonna flavor the oil with the garlic, and I can either take the garlic out at the end, or for people who really love garlic, it's delicious. So we're just cutting the edges off of the garlic, peeling the skin off. Laying the blade flat on the garlic and smashing. That's all we need to do. I don't think I've minced garlic since like 1999. I don't really enjoy mincing garlic because I find that a lot of times when you mince garlic, you end up with little burnt bits of garlic in whatever you're eating. And it feels like a lot of work for not that much reward. Now we're gonna head over to the skillet. We're gonna heat up the oil and the garlic, add in the rice and the herbs, some salt, get it kind of crispy, flip our fish, serve it on top. So there you have it, our chimmy grilled swordfish with garlicky, herby rice. Super quick, super easy, super delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see future cooking and tips and tricks videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and cook happy.